Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by stopping what's burning CPU and memory. Open Chrome Task Manager with Shift+S, find the offending tab or extension, and click End Process. That often unfreezes the page instantly. Once done, force reload the tab with Ctrl+F5 to bypass cache and confirm behavior. If multiple tabs are heavy, close non-essential ones to free RAM. Make sure Chrome is not installing updates in the background before proceeding to deeper fixes. Next, isolate the cause. Open Chrome, //extensions and toggle off suspect extensions. Extensions often inject scripts that hang pages. If the problem persists, open an incognito window. No extensions run there unless explicitly allowed, so you can tell if the profile is the issue. Create or switch to a new profile to test. Additionally, clear the site's cache and cookies or reset site permissions to remove stuck service workers or bad cookies that prevent proper loading. To finish, ensure Chrome is fully updated. Go to About Chrome and allow the update to install or reinstall if files are corrupted. Check system-level issues. Low RAM, heavy disk I/O, or antivirus sandboxing can freeze pages, close background apps, or whitelist Chrome. Once you've applied fixes, restart the browser and the machine. If the page remains unresponsive, capture the DevTools console and network logs and import them into a fresh profile. That diagnostic data is the key for deeper troubleshooting or support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.